Hello, Vimo. Hello, Dr. Medusa. How have you been doing?
Good, very good.
Good.
How is your mental health, Medusa? Please tell Vimo what happened last night, which you told me.
What
Let's
happened? What
start with
happened?
that. That is so funny. Please.
Now I feel guilty
I
for saying, "Ki, what kind of a friend are you?" She was going through something. What happened?
no, no. So what happened was because yesterday was extremely busy for me as far as creation etc. is concerned. Okay, I had like two wo wala, because you gave me that idea for the whole thingy like 1 minute के अंदर वाला कि वोट देने जाओगे वोट नहीं देने जाओगे ये ना तो I
Mm.
made that video and I was very excited about it and वो पहले बनाया उससे पहले भी कुछ और एक बनाया था I don't remember क्या बनाया था basically बस कल तो I was very busy कल and then I have a course going on which I have to be there from 10 in the morning to 5 in the evening. तो वो सारा मैं वो भी कर रही थी साथ में वीडियो भी चल रहा था so very busy day. I this one Meghna and I talked in the morning and we were like कि हाँ कल शाम को करते वो
Live.
विमो को भी बुला लेंगे लाइव करेंगे कल शाम को we'll talk about these things okay and because I worked so much which is not usual for me so I thought कि like 24 घंटे का काम 48 घंटे का काम हो गया मेरा 24 घंटे में
Mm.
so I thought the live was yesterday ठीक है and at 3 o'clock in the morning today I was like shit I had a live with Meghnad and I and he didn't even remind me and I missed it. Oh my god, is he upset with me? And then I was like so panic. I woke my husband up. Listen. There was a live today, and then I forgot about it. And Meghna didn't even remind me. Why didn't he remind me? Also, he could have just sent me one message. He knows I'm such a scatterbrain. I forgot about it, and I was so upset. I started crying, and I was just like, "Listen, what? When did you have this conversation?" And then he takes my phone, and then he checks it. He's like, "You had this conversation today." I'm
Yeah.
like, what? Today? And then I was like, okay, ठीक है 4 बजे तक मेरे को 3 बजे से 4 बजे तक I had this panic attack कि नहीं मैंने मिस कर दिया और फिर मेघनाथ गुस्सा है and what am I going to do if Meghnath is upset because he's like one of the few people whose opinion really matters to me so what am I going to do I got so upset and I was like then फिर सुबह उठ के when I woke up in the morning because I had the course again I forgot about the whole episode entirely okay and then when he messages me tonight live I'm like shit it's tonight and then I tell him this whole story कि देख ऐसा हुआ he's like what is
It's
wrong
not your
with you I'm
fault.
like
Time is breaking.
Time is
As we saw,
breaking.
Rahul Gandhi ended up
it is
time traveling.
it is definitely breaking it like something is happening there is some shift in the quantum realm some butterfly has flapped its wings somewhere and there is a typhoon here oh god
Yeah.
it
It's
was
happening. I agree. Like
it's
time
happening
has no meaning anymore. I have been streaming all week.
uh,
And I can't not talk about what is happening because I'm
yeah
so
yeah
happy right now. And Vimo was asking, am I happier than 2024 results?
Hmm.
Like 2024 results ke baad, like we were
Mhm.
like, oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
is the same happiness. I feel like it's a long term happiness now. Because I
Mhm.
feel like the happy days are just beginning and slowly drip feed hoga happiness ka hum mein. So I'm
Hmm.
very happy. I'm great.
Right, 2024 election, sure, there was science and optimism and everything, but we were all genuinely surprised at what happened. I was telling Meghnad कि अगर सब कुछ पलट जाता इन लोगों की सरकार चली जाती, we would have died of happiness. So,
Yes.
so the universe actually gave us a slow drip of joy.
Yeah.
अभी अभी उसका final dose मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
also also I'm very happy but I'm also scared okay I'm scared of being happy as well
Yeah,
because
yeah.
see the thing is
You're Ronin. Don't give me hope.
Yes.
yeah I am like also I have like so much faith in the evil that is this party that I don't know the things that the levels that they can stoop down to for to stay in power because I don't know who said this किसने बोला अभी मुझे पता नहीं याद नहीं आ रहा but they're like they're not worried about being in satta anymore they're worried because if they lose it then they're going to be all of them are going to be in
Yeah,
jail and
yeah.
there's going to be a huge fallout
This,
of this
this,
so
this,
they
this,
cannot afford to not be in power and that's a very very dangerous
this was the inevitable conclusion of the Amit Shah method of doing politics.
Mhm.
Inevitable conclusion. Even if their government lasted 50 years, this is how it would have ended.
Elaborate.
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी
Like,
शक्कर.
look at this thing, na? This chief ministers को हटाने वाला bill. Chief minister, PM जो भी है, it was in their drafts folder for an alternate future where they had 400 par.
Interesting.
Right.
Hmm.
What was intended to be a crisis can now barely manage to be a distraction.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
There is
Sorry,
an alternate
just
universe where they have 400 par, where they are doing whatever the fuck they want, where they have put this bill, they have removed all the chief ministers and they have sat down for 50 years. ये उसके लिए prepared था. But the problem with these guys is they believe their own propaganda कि हम हार नहीं सकते. So they let their hand loose on Varanasi and Uttar
Ayodhya.
Pradesh. They focused on Odisha. They got Odisha. But then they realized that they have.
अब इसका
I
क्या करूं?
remember Narendra Modi's face on the day that
Yes.
he was accepting that we won. That was not the face of a man who thought he
Who
had
thinks
won.
that they won? Yeah.
Yeah. He knew he had lost. He was sitting in the chair knowing that he did not deserve it.
and then that showed.
Yeah.
And
Now it is
Also,
fine.
उसके बाद से भी है मेघना. We have talked about this in the last episode that he's like checked out.
I told you, like he's
Yeah.
prime
Term.
influencer.
Yeah.
That's why I call him prime influencer.
This
I
is a
don't
man
call
who
it.
likes. This is a man who wants people to like him. He's like Elon Musk in this regard.
Yeah.
He's not someone like, "Nee, even if people don't like me, I'll be in power." That's probably the other guy. Narendra
Yeah.
Modi wants people to like him. Narendra Modi wants to be like, वो ऐसे करेगा और लोग तालियां बजाएंगे. He knows that is not happening anymore.
And he can see it because I
Yeah.
think he'll be the first person to notice it also. His mind is so attuned to feeling the like what the
Pulse.
public, the pulse
Yeah.
of the public. So when he gets on a stage, I feel like he sees the public.
Yeah.
I think he knows the difference between a public that really loves him and a paid public that is just paid to be there or forced to be there, right? It's like those metro inaugurations he does on Sundays and calls school children with full uniforms. It's exactly that, right? He knows
Yeah.
those people, those kids don't want to be there.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe they want to be there because they want to meet the prime minister, but it's a Sunday. They're not going
Yeah.
to school.
They're
They're
having
just
to pay
there.
government employees to attend their speeches, and the government employees are coming also, and then they're saying we only came because they give us money.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
This can't be easy for him.
Or,
Hate to sympathize,
But then, do you really think that there ever was an audience who came because they loved him?
yeah. Before
I think so
2014,
too.
there
I've
was.
seen it. I've seen it with my
Oh.
own eyes. Like in
But
West
मे-
Bengal.
मेरे लिए इतना incomprehensible हो
Also
जाता
the
है ना
Save
ये
Kashmir
चीज.
thing, which we will talk about later.
No, but just
It
to
was there.
tell you, so when I was in West Bengal, no, when I was doing the West Bengal elections ka coverage, there was this big ass rally that they had planned in Tarakeshwar. I think that was the place, right? वहां से हमारे इंटेलेक्चुअल बंगाली क्या नाम है यार स्वपन दास गुप्ता खड़े हुए थे. Okay,
Translated.
yeah, Kanchan Gupta. No, Shopan Das, right? Arrogant ass. But anyway, that's a separate story. But I went to that rally. I saw three kinds of people there. One who genuinely loved Modi, right? They were very excited to see him, right? And then they were like, oh my God, whatever. The second was जो पैसे लेके आए थे वो चिकन भात खाने आए थे, राइट? बिकॉज बट रहा था, चिकन भात बट रहा था इधर उधर, एंड देन दे वर लोडेड अप इन बसेस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, एंड दैट ऑल पार्टीज डू. Third crowd, which was the most interesting, came to see his helicopter. Right? Because Modi ji, when he comes in not one, 3 giant helicopters, army helicopters, not the small ones. 3 giant helicopters, Air Force ka, come from a distance, aise glorious. When we were there inside the pandal, suddenly the announcer says कि देखिए आ रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री, and literally 1/3 of the crowd just disappeared and ran outside. There was a mini stampede because they wanted to stand there and just watch the helicopters land. And I get it because I also ran with them. I was like, Modi ji को किसको देखना है, मुझे देखना है वो. I went there, dude. It was glorious. I was like, yes, I would come for this.
Helicopters have fun, yeah.
Yeah, and then people just stayed there. They didn't even go back inside.
Helicopter.
They didn't go back inside. They stayed there because they wanted to see it take off also. So they were just there for an hour. Like they were just like chilling there. बाजू में दाल चिकन भात मिल रहा है वो खा रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह. So but there is a crowd that loves Modi. It is not. It's blended together with these categories of people. So yeah.
And Narendra Modi is exactly the kind of delusional person who will confuse the three as one.
don't
कि
think
ये सब
so.
मेरे से प्यार करते हैं.
I don't think so. I feel like
नहीं, हाँ,
he'd know.
I think that he's not delusional that all these people love him, but I think he has a coterie people surrounding him who do tell him that people love you.
Yes, men.
हाँ, but he
हाँ.
believes in ना. So that's the thing. See,
तो वो मेरे को लगता है.
if we created such a coterie around Meghnad and Meghnad had no idea about anything outside, even he would eventually start believing it. It's about the kind of constant media input you're getting. If you, I think there is a tweet by Arun Jaitley from a year before he passed away, where he was saying ki the biggest lesson from the emergency is that your end begins or something the day you start believing your own propaganda about yourself. Politics is a whole lot of things, including telling people how amazing you are. But you yourself have to not drink the Kool-Aid. You need to know where you stand. The day you start believing all the cool shit that is being said about you by your own IT cell who's being paid by you, you're doomed.
And that is where the non-biological thoughts come from, no?
Yeah.
I feel like that is the source of
मैं
it.
तो
Where
हार ही नहीं
this,
सकता.
where you start
कुछ
believing
खास है
you're-
मेरे के अंदर.
yeah, where you start believing you are otherworldly and honestly, if I was Modi, I would probably do that also. Because dude, the man has
Everyone will.
had insane luck, huh? Insane. Like I haven't
Insane
he's
luck,
the luckiest man alive, I feel like. He has lucked out so many times in his life, which has just given him more and more and more and more and more power. I was pretty sure that there would be a time when the luck would run out, or there would be a time when he would be unlucky, and that would short circuit him. I feel like that happened in 2024, and that is why he
2024,
checked
yeah.
out. He's like,
Yeah.
यार 25 साल से अच्छा चल रहा था. What happened? Like what happened? So it's like, I don't know what happened. Hey, Kangna Ranaut is the dark horse. True. वो पनौती है.
For herself also.
Did you see her yesterday when she was talking about कि ये लोग तू संसद में पत्थर लेके आ
What was that?
What?
And because Amit Shah yesterday, chat, by the way, just context, I've done a video on this, so you can go check it. But a bill was passed by Amit Shah, but cleared नहीं हुआ, वो committee को चला गया. A bill was introduced by Amit Shah, which allows them to remove Chief Minister, Prime Minister, of UTs also, and also ministers, using the power of the governor or the president. So if one of those chief minister, prime minister, etc. are in jail consecutively for 30 days, accused of a crime, not convicted, accused, then they would be removed on the 31st day. So usme, what was interesting was Amit Shah was introducing the bill and he was in the fourth row, right? Because
With 20 marshals.
with 20 marshals, exactly. And who Mahua Moitra was the one who was
Yeah.
pointing out ki,
Yeah.
what are you scared of, Home Mantri ji? Are you scared of introducing your own bills now? I was like, yeah, this is interesting. Why would Amit Shah come to the parliament with marshals surrounding him? He needs protection now inside the house. Is he that paranoid? What is
No,
going on?
that is how aware he is of how few friends he has.
Interesting.
If you, like I said
I
in my
love
reel,
it.
when you have when you start believing that every single task can be done through fear, you know at some point that not only my enemies but my own friends are also not reliable.
Hmm.
And then he sits in the fourth row. And then also, the whole act of tearing up the bill and throwing the papers at him, I did not think that would have been possible. That makes Amit Shah look really bad.
That
Because
I thought
he
what
is
would
this-
happen as a result of it is that they would get the marshals to throw out MPs as they had done before. That did not happen.
That did not happen.
Yeah.
So वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि because this guy has been portrayed as this Chanakya who does these Operation Lotus and ये वो this that and lots of other things as well, which involve former judges, etc., etc. So this formidable person, this even the possibility of people crumpling up paper and throwing at them, our own representatives, I did not think that was possible. And when that happened, I was like, some
ये
shift
पहले
is
भी
happening
हुआ है बाय द वे
somewhere.
मेडुसा ये
हो
पहले भी हुआ है डायरेक्ट ने
ना
किया है
बिल फाड़
राज्यसभा
के
में
फेंकना ये तो इसने
नो
क्या
नो
नाम था
वो
संजय सिंह ने
नहीं,
किया
बिल फाड़ के फेंकने वाली बात नहीं है। अमित शाह पे तुम फेंक रहे हो ना, यू आर लाइक देयर इज दिस
No.
वीडियो।
So what is happening is that they're throwing it in front of the camera. So because so I know this because what is
अच्छा अच्छा
happening,
अच्छा, ओके
you
ओके
must
ओके
have
It's
seen
not like they
another
throw it in
thing.
his face. You saw it
No, no,
over
I
like
thought they were like actually throwing it
Nah,
at
nah.
him
I
and at
don't
his
think
face. I was
anybody
like very
would do
happy,
that.
good.
I
But
don't
then
think
yeah,
anybody
okay,
would
ठीक
do
है,
that.
थोड़ा
But
dampen हो
also,
गया,
like,
but
if you notice, there are two things. One is the camera, right? So, of course, like, it's focused on Amit Shah. So, people are like throwing it uske samne so that they know
yeah.
that whatever. But the other thing is, did you notice there is this poster that keeps coming, vote chori ka? Yeah. And then the cameraman switches in panic, like, everywhere. Kahi to
Everywhere.
bata de. And it's what was interesting at
Also,
one
it
point.
happens in milliseconds. They're
Yeah.
like constantly on the screen, आंख गड़ाए बैठे हुए हैं.
And they keep changing the camera like very quickly because वो panic हो रहे हैं. So they're not showing what is happening in the parliament, obviously. But it's clear कि फट गई है
the
इनकी.
opposition people have also been doing something like they've been trying to get in the frame somehow.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that the
yeah.
camera
That's
doesn't
what.
go on.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they know
yeah.
the camera is going to be on Amit Shah. So
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah. And okay, so what are we doing today? We are going to talk about the downfall of the BJP. Okay. But just the first question is, do you think the downfall has started?
It started before election.
हाँ बोलो.
2024.
That's what I want to hear.
Elaborate.
All the wonderful things. Yes.
Medusa can go first.
No, for me, मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा cynical हूँ, तो मेरे को मतलब I do want to believe. Again, like I said, I am very happy, but I'm also very scared to be happy. So I don't want to jinx it by saying these things out loud and then have it like become wishful thinking कि अरे नहीं अभी तो और ये पैतरा चला दिया अमित शाह ने और फिर उल्टा सीधा हो गया. तो I think it is happening because अभी हम लोगों ने पुराने वाले पिछले वाले लाइव में भी बात करी थी कि when after this वोट चोरी वाला thingy, the thing is the emergence of Rahul Gandhi as this leader, as this answer to the question, if not Modi then who, then that has happened. If not Modi then who, if not Modi then Rahul Gandhi. So that has happened. I can see it, and especially because क्योंकि मैं social media पे रहती हूँ full time, because you guys are these disciplined people who don't spend a lot of time on social media. मैं constantly रहती हूँ, मैं constantly I'm riding the waves of social media, so I can see that the wave is changing, it's turning, and it's going the other way. So, and when that is happening, when that happens, I think that is like a very clear indication of the downfall happening, because BJP came because of the because of the rise of social media and the use of the IT cell. तो on WhatsApp, इसीलिए उन लोगों का rise मतलब बहुत इतना वो हो गया ना, आराम से हो गया. ये dissemination of misinformation का जो ये रास्ता, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म जो इन लोगों ने बनाए ना, ये जो गलियां वगैरह बनाई, तो इसमें से बहुत आसानी से हो गया. तो when that tide is changing, then I'm like, okay, something is happening. उसके on top of that, I have been noticing how checked out Narendra Modi
Modi
himself
ji is,
seems. Himself seems, not just including his like उनके भाषणों में भी कोई वो हार नहीं रही है. Now even when he during the 24 elections also, when he talked about the Mangal Sutra etc. वाला thingy, those were so ridiculous. They were so ridiculous. People could like कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Phoning it in.
And it took IT cell so much of like बहुत ज्यादा उनको एनर्जी लगी इन चीजों को जस्टिफाई करने में. The whole Mangalsutra wala comment, the bhais wala comment, and so many other comments he made, it took a lot of time for them to like justify कि हाँ ऐसा होगा, ये asset की बात कर रहे हैं. So like the whole thing that not Navika Kumar, what's her name? The ANI wala woman who's behind us,
Smita Prakash.
The thing that she did with Kapil Sibal, where she's talking about asset distribution, and Kapil Sibal like really destroys her. तो वो वाला जो उसमें तो all they tried really hard. So ये सारा कुछ देख के ना मुझको लग रहा है कि it has begun, and it is like अभी जो हो रहा है especially with the vote chori wala khulasa, because when Rahul Gandhi took this topic to the masses, to the people, because that's the only way that he would have done it. The people started doing their own thing, no? Like me, like Meghnad, and there are other, like we are, theek hai, hum log ka thoda bahut, there's a, you have 100K, I have 100K on Instagram and other places. तो हम लोग का है, बट देन द स्मॉल क्रिएटर्स 10-10 15-15 हजार वाले फॉलोअर्स वाले बच्चे, वो भी देख देख के दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग देयर ओन होमवर्क, दे आर फाइंडिंग आउट दीज थिंग्स, एंड दे आर द वंस हु आर creating, who are starting to talk about it. तो उस टाइम पे तो मेरे को, when people started getting involved in this and when people started realizing कि हाँ बात तो सही कह रहा है,
The
तो मुझे लगा
neutrals.
कि
The neutral. I care about the
the
neutrals. Yeah,
the
yeah.
neutrals. And वो तो सबसे ज्यादा है, because when the neutrals start talking in your favor, then you know that
Yeah, yeah.
change हो रहा है, because otherwise because neutrals हमेशा they want to be with the powerful.
Yeah, yeah.
Now they know अभी तक, जैसे for example there are so many comedy वाला creators, I have seen so many comedy वाला creators, okay, who were political at one point of time, but then of course then the once they gained popularity they changed to doing dadi के साथ skit and so on and so forth. These comedy wala people, they have now started making political reels
Yeah,
and
they
talking
have.
about vote chori very openly.
They have, they
Hey,
have.
bro.
Yeah.
तेरे को
अभी
जगह
तो
नहीं।
अभी थोड़ा सेफ लग रहा है उनको बेसिकली.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ, but
The
Vimo,
same thing
Vimo.
happened 24 के इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट्स के टाइम पे भी also.
हाँ. That's true. That's true.
There are also that trend I also saw. कि
Yeah.
बीच में फिर से गायब थे, अभी फिर से आ रहे हैं. So when that happens, I know that the tide is changing.
Vimo, you were saying when did it start? When did the downfall
मुझे
start?
लगता है कि see, I'll tell you something. A party which has been facing pushback from its own members because it has been stuffing itself with people from other parties who it used to hate literally weeks ago is not a political party of any sort. Because suppose there is a race happening, cycle race chal rahi hai, right? There is audience sitting and cycles are going to start here and whoever gets here first will win. There is a judge and there is an entire system which is, so people see it and recognize it as a race. उसके अंदर एक साइकिल आता है जो जजेस के ऊपर बॉम्ब डाल देता है, जो ऑडियंस के बीच में बॉम्ब डाल देता है, जो अपने बगल के साइकिलिस्ट को गोली मार देता है, और फिर वो लास्ट पॉइंट पे पहुंचता है. इज दैट रियली अ विनर? Because there is no race anymore, right? So this is not a political party that competes in elections. It is trying to undo the entire process which even makes the concept of a winner possible, right? 2024 से काफी पहले इसका implosion शुरू हो चुका था. I do not think the BJP is a political party anymore. It is something that behaves like a political party, but it is something else. Some different kind of organization. Its only purpose is to dominate somehow. And you know, there are you take examples from advertising or anything where some kind of competition happens or two or more different things are in front of you and you have to choose. What makes it exciting for the people who are putting the products in front of the audience and the audience is that there is genuine choice. So the BJP, if you're asking me if it is imploding as a political party, I don't think it is a political party anymore. Implosion to dur ki baat hai. And if it is a political party, if it is to be seen as a political party, its implosion started sometime between 2019 and 2024. Long
Right.
time ago. वो
I
खत्म हो
think
गया.
I can answer when.
We are only becoming, like, we have been aware of it for quite some time, but the general public is becoming aware of it in a more visible way. The BJP supporters also. I'm sure there are plenty of BJP supporters who love the fact that the BJP wins, right? But the idea of winning itself is gone because it's not competing only.
That's true. It doesn't
And
feel
then-
like a win.
Yeah, it's not. Like, okay, हम लोग एक साइकिल पे बैठ के हम लोग फिनिश लाइन के उस तरफ खड़े हैं. Did we defeat anyone? Did we actually pedal? Did anyone else, was anyone else next to us जिसके साथ compete करने में पसीना छूट रहा था? यहाँ खड़े होके क्या मिलेगा? I'm sure there are plenty of BJP supporters also who are like, this is not what I wanted when I said that I wanted my party to win. And that is also becoming, as Medusa pointed out on social media, अगर सेंट्रिस्ट लोग इसके बारे में वोट चोरी के बारे में, सो कॉल्ड वोट चोरी के बारे में वीडियो बना रहे हैं, वी आर देयर ऑलरेडी. अभी
Yeah.
दिखना शुरू हो गया.
As Sister Mirror is pointing out, Raju Parulekar described them well. Yeah, they're not a political party; they're a cartel right now, which is I think
which
accurate.
is
So
extremely accurate.
That is extremely
extremely
accurate.
accurate. Um,
Extremely accurate.
you know what I think, and I've been saying this for a few years now, and now it is proving right. I feel like their downfall actually started during COVID. Right, because as Medusa said,
Yeah,
one of
yeah.
their biggest weapons was
No party
this.
should have come to power after that kind of mishandling.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly. Because, but also like what Medusa said, right? You know, their main USP was the IT cell, the social media game they were playing. They're really strong in that. But what does that machinery do? It creates an illusion for you, right? It creates a parallel universe where you can live, where Modi ji is the greatest human alive, India is Vishwaguru, and we have become a developed country. Everything is amazing. Sab changasi, right? What happened during COVID is that reality hit people in the face. Whether you like it or not, it was a natural disaster. Everybody was dying around you. During that time, when Modi started lying, people were looking out and seeing their people dying. And also Modi ji not caring about it. That was also very important because Modi ji disappeared. Does anyone remember? During the pandemic, he disappeared. Like
Yeah.
for a literal 2 weeks, he was not there. He
And
put out
reappeared
one
with a long
photo, I
beard.
remember, which was also so glorious, where he was like lighting that diya, and this ANI photographer takes like these amazing photos. He took
Him
photos of
and the
himself.
Home Minister, both of them.
Yeah, he took a photo with peacocks during the pandemic.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
like must बैठे हुए हैं peacock के साथ, and he was doing the whole Rabindranath thing. One thing that happened during that was, I think Arvind Kejriwal was the only one who went to that CM ka conference. He recorded everything and then he put it out publicly, right? And usme you could see how embarrassing the whole thing was, right? I feel like वहां से ना downfall शुरू हो चुका था. I think
Also, remember when he came for the Man Ki Baat wala thingies or the announcements that he would make, and he would have a mask.
yes.
वो like कैमरे में
कैमरे पे
50 फीट दूर होगा. What mask are you wearing? Why are you wearing a mask?
But also important, during that time, first wave में missing, second wave में they didn't even
Election.
acknowledge there is a
Yeah,
wave
yeah,
for the longest time. Elections था West Bengal में, I was there.
Yeah,
Dude, the kind of कहर that has caused, the second wave was way worse than the first one. The whole migrant crisis that happened where people were going, etc. But the oxygen cylinder crisis started happening, and even the most privileged pricks were not able to get oxygen, right? तब उनका आँख खुला. जब क्राइसिस तुम्हारे घर पे आ रहा था ना, जब तुम्हारे लोग सांस लेने से मर रहे थे and you were not getting oxygen cylinders, that is when people were like, holy shit, so I guess we are not a Vishwaguru then, or I guess we are not that great as a country. People are just dying like flies everywhere, right? I specifically remember this one video. I don't know if you guys remember it. It was done by News Laundry, our team only. I think Ayush. Ayush went to this place in UP and he followed a man around who was trying to get an oxygen cylinder for his mother.
Yeah.
He carried her around and the camera was following him. It was so distressing, dude. He goes from one hospital to the other, not getting anything, and the woman dies. Right? In that e-rickshaw or whatever they were
Auto
doing,
rickshaw,
right?
yeah.
It's horrifying. Right? I feel like the reporting done by Barkha Dutt also, I rarely mention this, but that point, Barkha Dutt was in her
On
peak
the road, yeah,
journalism
she
mode. There were so many horrifying images that we saw during that time. The Ganga Lashe, right?
Yeah.
They try to hide that so much, but how do you hide such a thing? You can't, right? It is like, it's crazy. So I feel like वहां से शुरू हुआ है. And what we are seeing right now is a very visible manifestation of that. It's like the fuse was lit, and the end point was this atom bomb that Rahul
Yeah.
Gandhi exploded.
COVID also kind of put an end to the Shaheen Bagh anti-CAA protest scene
Yeah.
because people had to go home and all.
Farmers
Which is-
protest also. I mean, like farmers didn't move.
care. They sat
Yeah.
through the entire
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
वो बेचारे तो बैठे रहे थे.
I remember my first video of the farmers protest was during COVID, and like of course my partner was so freaking out that that ये, but I was going out and reporting, and
Hmm.
वो mask पहन के like बस के ऊपर बैठ के, I remember we had done that. And the farmers basically were like, this is a conspiracy against the protest. जो शाहीन बाग के साथ किया वो हमारे साथ नहीं होने देंगे. So they were convinced कि कोविड वर्ड कुछ नहीं है, ये सब कॉन्स्पिरसी है, ये सब फैला रहे हैं क्योंकि शाहीन बाग का प्रोटेस्ट जैसे एंड किया वैसे हमारा भी करने वाला, हम नहीं हिलने वाले. Yeah, it was a bit yeah, but okay, guys.
My first video was also during COVID only.
हाँ, I know.
First video. I
I think
started.
a lot of
COVID was
people got very angry during that time.
COVID was the time where where my whole mental health crisis started. नहीं, COVID के time पे like so much survivor's guilt, man. So much survivor's guilt. And then these images, the one that you mentioned, Abhi, and then there's the image of the kid sleeping on the suitcase. And then there was one, I don't know if you guys came across it or remember it or not. This woman gives birth on the road. 2 hours later, she picks up her child and she starts walking.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
and what? And like क्या है, मतलब देश इतने साल हो गए, 75 साल हो गए आजादी को, आज भी देश का तबका एक ऐसा है जिसके साथ ये हो रहा है, जिसके साथ ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वही ना, अभी मिडिल क्लास के साथ भी वही है, वन इलनेस एंड वन हॉस्पिटल ट्रिप, योर एंटायर सेविंग्स आर गॉन. It's just gone. One illness and your savings are gone. तो ये आज भी यही हालत है. That was like a very shocker. और उस टाइम पे तो यार मतलब था कि अब हो गया, अब नहीं बोलूंगी तो कब बोलूंगी. So that was my origin story. But so yeah, I understand when you said that their downfall started. Maybe the downfall started because I started making videos.
Oh, of course. You were like that harbinger of
Catalyst.
death for the BJP. You were like,
You
आ
know
गए
what I
हैं, हम आ गए, काली माता आ गई है.
They saw Medusa and turned to stone.
Yeah. अभी वो बोल रहा था ना about wait, what was I saying? I forgot. हाँ, कि this is something, he said something because of which this image got created in my brain, that parallel universe की बात कर रहा था ना तब.
हाँ.
So it's like that Avengers वाला scene ना, where Iron Man asks him, is this the time where we win? Is this the one where we win? Is this the one where we win? So he shows this. So there is a parallel universe where they have 400 par and they are doing, तो वहां पे हो गया, वहां पे 50 साल के लिए बैठ गए हैं. But this is the alternate one where we are here and this is the one. I think that's a beautiful image to have. I would like to think of myself as Iron Man.
Osiris
That one scenario.
in chat is saying you are the 3 horsemen of the BJP apocalypse. Rahul Gandhi is the 4th.
Yes, you guys realize, right? If the multiverse is real, there's a universe out there where the BJP never came to power in 2014.
That's true.
Yes,
That
I
is the
know.
better
That would be
one.
so
Arey,
wonderful.
there's
I
a
would like
parallel
to do
universe
that.
where I won and became MLA of Malviya Nagar. More importantly, screw BJP, screw Modi. मेरे parallel universe में मैं MLA है अभी, okay? काम कर रहा है मैं अभी वहां पे, बेचारा दौड़ रहा है वो मालवीय नगर में गार्बेज हटाने के लिए, रोड फिक्स करने के लिए काम कर रहा है बेचारा अभी.
लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑन करके लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा है हर चीज को.
Live stream कर रहा है हर चीज. हाँ, he has a GoPro attached and then people are
Yeah.
coming to-
Arey, that was literally my plan, which is like I will attach like a camera and then there would be a cameraman who I would hire myself, who would just record everything I'm doing and edit करके डाल देंगे रात को कि आज MLA साहब ने ये किया है. So it's like I don't know, but let's come back to the present a little bit. What I have asked you
This
guys
universe.
to do, yes, this universe and present time also. What I've asked you guys to do is identify events which point towards the downfall of BJP. I have my own list, so you guys must have picked some as well. So I'll start with Vimo. Vimo, you want to start?
I
It might be
actually
same. Like, do you
हाँ,
do you
वो जो भी
realize
है
this?
हमारे पास बहुत है.
हाँ.
do you think we could do it like this? You bring up one thing on your list, and then we all have a say on it.
That's
like
what I
all-
was
all
doing.
three.
That's exactly what I was doing. So you start.
Because I don't have a
and-
separate list because I've kind of been out of it. I made some points, and I feel like I've already made those points.
Oh, okay. But
Okay, so let me start.
You
The
start.
tragedy of
Let's
short
talk
term.
about
Yeah,
मेरा
yeah.
खत्म हो गया.
let's talk about the ORF debacle.
okay. Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah. Let's start with
Let's
that.
start with that because I feel that's something which people would need a lot of explanation.
Context for also. Start with that. Yeah.
As in, like, why at all it is important, or why at all it is, yeah. Because, see, so the thing is, think tanks.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे पहले मेडुसा क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah, because
Okay,
I
so
don't know
there
what you're
is
talking
this.
about.
हाँ.
Okay, so there is this think tank called the ORF. It is
Observer
partly
Research.
owned by Reliance, Reliance company. Okay, so I think until 2022 or 2023, the amount of funding that the Reliance gave this one ORF was around 95%. But it has reduced from 95% to 65. Google also gives them funding. Basically, जैसे होता है ना, organizations ask for
Got it.
funding, so they
It's
have
a think
funding
tank.
from different sources, but the major source was Reliance. So it is thought that Reliance like owns it, which technically speaking it does. So this ORF has the American chapter of ORF is headed by Jaishankar ka beta.
ध्रुव
So now what
जयशंकर.
is so now IT cell for the last 48 hours has been completely dissing Ambani and ORF, and they're saying things like Ambani has betrayed Modi.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
They're not
was like-
taking his name though. They're like someone close to Modi has
Someone
betrayed him. Yeah.
Yeah. And there was there is this same line of betrayal which is
Yeah.
being now taken up by major handles of the IT cell, including people like there's this horrible H-phobia वाले तो कर ही रहे हैं.
मिस्टर सिन्हा से लेके
हिंदुत्व
भीखू
Nights
मात्रे
Watch
से
and
लेके
something.
हाँ वो तो है हाँ.
There is this guy whose name is Methun. I absolutely
Yeah. I know that guy. Yeah.
Well, only in Sanghi circles can you have the entire spectrum of Night's Watch to Method.
Yeah.
Night's Watch is supposed to have given up all relationships.
Yeah. Hindutva Nights Watch. Okay. Okay. So anyway, so they have been dissing ORF because of these revelations. I don't know. Again, this is something which Meghnad probably will be able to provide the information that there has been revelation that apparently ORF has been trying to sabotage India's foreign policy relations. Right, with America, Nepal, and our neighboring countries for the past couple of months, and for the I think major part of the last year. So वो ये सब कर रहे हैं, और because of that reason they have now betrayed, and this is the reason why India's foreign policy is completely like effed up now. So they basically that comes from like they'll blame anyone but Modi. So they, according to them, these are the ones who take the foreign policy decisions, and that's why they effed it up, and then so they are like all So that I think is a huge indication of something not being right, because a couple of days ago NDTV had done that documentary on Reliance.
Anil Ambani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anil Ambani and the whole fraud wala.
So the context for that is Anil Ambani took giant amount of loans and defrauded on it. So ED is now questioning him again. It's actually a very old thing which they've brought back from the dead, and and NDTV made a documentary on it. Like a very 1 hour, very detailed documentary which they dropped, and then they deleted it after a few hours.
Yeah, and they left it like left it alone for like 40 minutes or 50 minutes or something like that, and then they deleted it. By that time, everybody had downloaded it.
Yeah.
So that is happening. So basically, Adani Ambani mein jhagda chal raha hai, and the guy who was trying to have both his legs, both feet in both the boats, तो वो दोनों के चक्कर में डगमगा रही है. So I think, because after all, let's be clear, these oligarchs are running the government, right? Yes, the face is Modi. Yes, the face is Amit Shah. Amit Shah is moving the money around and getting all the MPs, MPs and MLAs into their fold. But after all, the money guys are these two. So इनके बीच में अगर लड़ाई होगी, इन दोनों को अगर शांत नहीं रखा जा पाएगा, तो फिर तो गड़बड़ है. And this ORF वाला thinking with IT cell turning against one of the big two, I think that is a clear indication.
Interesting.
So I have a question about this, because I've seen some thumbnails criticizing Jaishankar's treatment of our foreign policy and the consequent mishandling of it. But the IT cell was never really one IT cell, right? There's a Lucknow IT cell, and there's a Gandhinagar or Ahmedabad IT cell, and they are frequently at odds with each other, which is why sometimes you see them go against Amit Shah, sometimes you see them go against Yogi Adityanath and all that. My question is, राहुल गांधी हैज frequently said कि अडानी अंबानी को ठिकाने लगा देंगे वगैरह वगैरह. If the opposition comes to power, can they actually afford to do so?
Um, okay, but can they afford to do so? They can't. Simple answer. Because
Yeah.
I think Ambani and Adani already were hedging their bets. Whether it be Adani or Ambani, like for example, one big example is Revanth Reddy, right? Or Mamta Banerjee, who both have like contracts with Adani, right? The reality of the matter is that when you have a monopoly over supply chains and resource extraction, which Adani has, ports, electricity भी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, airports, etc. There is no way any state government can not deal with them. That's the whole point of a monopoly, right? Ambani also has his own monopolies in petrochemicals and all those things, like different things. Geo, all the things. So again, there is no way a state government cannot deal with these people also. So they have so much assets, so much power, so much control over Indian just markets, including entertainment, right? News 18, all these. I think someone was telling me only like 4 billionaires own the entire media ecosystem in India. And I feel like Ambani has like 60% of it, even streaming included, by the way. So if that be the case, there is no way you can just ignore them, right? You cannot do this. Now Rahul Gandhi का मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आता, because I know once they come to power they will have to suck up to them at some point. But given that, keeping that aside, this fight between two corporations is very interesting to me.
Yes.
एक तो मुझे लगता है ये भक्त लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता कि think tank क्या होता है. Important, right?
I don't think they know.
Yeah, see, that's my thing.
They don't know what
Do you
think
remember that whole Disha Ravi episode?
You didn't listen. You didn't hear that.
What?
They don't know
Vimo
what
said,
think means.
I don't think they know what think is.
Tank तो दूर की बात है.
That's true.
Or maybe maybe what if they think that it's a tank when you go inside?
It's an actual tank.
And then you think like this.
टंकी पे बैठ के सोच रहा है कुछ. कैसे उतरूं यहाँ से?
टंकी पे tank. But yeah, but you're right. I mean, maybe they think about it that way. They don't know what think tank is. Do you guys remember that Disha Ravi episode? The
Yeah.
toolkit, Rihanna toolkit, right?
Yeah.
I feel like the farmers protest के time पे it became very evident they have no idea what research is. They had no idea what think tanks do or what activists do in general. एक document लिया उन्होंने, उसको toolkit बता दिया. Basically it was like a coordination document जो काफी लोग बनाते हैं यार. Like I think ORF at this point must have made 10,000 of them on foreign policy, right? If the Bhakts have to prove that ORF is working against the country, they just need these 2-3 documents and बता देंगे कि इनका toolkit चल रहा था, right? But I feel like another angle here, okay? I feel like they want Jaishankar gone. I feel like they are like preparing for Jaishankar to take the blame for all the diplomatic failures which have happened. Because honestly, one of the things that has hurt Modi's image the most in the recent past is the diplomatic failures. Right?
Yes.
It is not hidden that Munir is going and meeting Trump again and again, lunch खाते रहता है उनके साथ. It is not hidden that Trump, I don't know, for the 30th time is saying that वो मैंने war खत्म किया है. So he keeps taking credit for ending the war. And Modi ji on the other hand keeps saying कि नहीं, Operation Sindoor अभी चालू है, okay? It's very bizarre. But one of the things that this has really hurt him, and I think they're going to prepare to blame Jaishankar for this. And they are going to blame him through ORF.
Acha.
They're going to make him a scapegoat. That is my feeling. Him and his son are done. They are going to throw them under the bus and they're just like, हाँ भाई अब तू देख ले तेरा.
Also because the whole China wala thingy mein, did you see the way Jaishankar was talking in that meeting?
didn't
China
see.
wale usme, there is a video. It's
Okay.
very embarrassing. It's like he's very subdued. I mean, I am a old school person when it comes to love for your country. I'm in complete love with my country. Whatever, however, jaisa bhi, whatever. That's the reason why I do whatever I do. Anyway, the point is, I do not like seeing my country or my country's representative that way in front of an adversary. China is an adversary. It's a very, very powerful, very, very formidable adversary, specifically after the India-Pakistan war, where it very vocally was with Pakistan.
Yeah.
I feel offended. I feel offended, angry, not just offended. Offended is a very soft term. I am angry when I see that right now this representative of my country, who is still my representative, whether I like it or not, so subdued and talking about mending of relations, talking about moving the way forward. I mean, what bullshit! And it I felt so bad and I felt so angry. I could not completely watch the video because I was so angry कि यार क्या हो गया है? Like, who were we? We started the freaking non-aligned movement at one point of time कि हमको किसी के साथ नहीं रहना. We will start a non-aligned. We started movements. We were a small young country, but we started movements like that. I'm not saying the online movement was very successful. नहीं था successful. और irrelevant भी हो गया बाद में. But the point is, we had the brains, we had the heart to do something like that. We had the heart to stand with Palestine when किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि what is the meaning of standing with Palestine, recognizing Palestine as a state, right? So I think 72 के नागबा के पहले की बात
Sorry, just
Yeah,
information which chat has given, which is very interesting. Nehal is saying Jaishankar was the ambassador to China when Modi visited China first time as CM of Gujarat.
Yeah, and apparently अभी वही तो बोला था ना, क्या नाम है उसका? This one, Subramaniam Swamy.
Oh, okay.
Subramanian Swamy has talked about it and he was like very, in his own very style, he was like, अरे उसका entertainment का ध्यान रखता था ये ऐसे करके.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, that's yeah, crass, but
It
okay,
was-
fair. Okay.
Like I never repeat what Subramanian Swamy usually says because he's safe. I am
We shouldn't be judgmental. Maybe he just provided him with DVDs and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. स्वयं
Tom and
सेवक
Jerry
after
वगैरह
all,
होते
so क्या कर सकते हैं?
जो भी है. So
Oh
yeah,
god,
so that's
stop it.
I wasn't thinking that. I was just saying actual Tom and Jerry cartoon.
Anyway, go on.
I'm gonna jail.
हाँ.
So yeah, so क्या बात कौन बात कर, तू बात कर, बोल.
नहीं तू खत्म कर दे तेरा चाइना वाला point. Because that is also one important I think indication.
That thing happened. Oh, by the way, did you also see? I don't know if you guys saw this or not. There was a video. So Adani has been on a PR trip. ना अभी he has been going around lobbying because उसका अमेरिका की तरफ से आ रहा है कि भैया तुम्हारा केस चल रहा है 10 महीने से तुमको सम्मन दिया नहीं है. And so basically the Indian government, so this is for chat, the Indian government had to give the summon. US government has summoned Adani
Yes.
for his the case, for the bribery wala case that he's facing, right? For his not indictment, but for the case. Basically summon kiya usko. So Indian government was like, we will be cooperating. So Indian government ko wo diya hai because he's an Indian citizen. Indian government has not given Adani the summons for the past 10 months.
Yeah.
US की कोर्ट से समन आया है, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने अदानी को अभी तक समन दिया नहीं है. So also Adani, because of that reason, he is on a PR wala trip. He is like going around to different countries and trying to build up PR. So he went to China.
He can't go to America though, poor guy. Because he'll get arrested. If he goes to
That's
America, he'll get arrested
He
immediately.
went to China.
Yeah.
He went to China, and then this Chinese media company, they came out with a video. And the video talks about how Gautam Adani, this one guy, has this control over almost like all of India. So it talks about Gautam Adani has control over 60% of India's coal. Gautam Adani also controls 40% of India's electricity, 80% of India's seaports and airports. So basically, they were doing it to like hype him up in front of the Chinese billionaires, and so that like they can be like pally and do business and stuff.
And 100% of India's prime ministers.
Yeah, he
No,
does.
that was not there.
Yes.
But then I think that video has also backfired because now it's like, what? 80% of India's port.
Ports. Yeah.
And
Cargo traffic.
सीपोर्ट एंड ये आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, कोल आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, सोलार में भी तो उसका वो है ना, अदानी का है सोलार. जो बिजली के मीटर लग रहे हैं, वेयर इज दैट? अदानी इज ओनली पुटिंग द बिजली का मीटर्स एंड सोलर वाला ये एंड ऑल. तो that video also I think has kind of backfired. और मुझे लगता है कि उसके पीछे भी रिलायंस वालों का हाथ है,
Reliance
but I'm
वालों
not
का.
sure.
So this oligarchy war is very fun and fantastic. I love it because
I love it.
ये बोलते थे ना कि
The rich should fight
मोदी
each
जी
other.
की जान उनके तोते में है और वो तोता अडानी है. अडानी और अंबानी है. Who said this line? I
I think
forget.
it's the other way around.
What?
अडानी की जान मोदी में है.
Adani ki jaan. No, I will present a conspiracy theory which I have been toying with for a few years now.
Mhm.
I feel like Adani in a lot of way is a front for the BJP, right? So technically a political party cannot go into business. Right, technically a political party cannot do business, right? It's supposed to be like doing organization, rallies, all the things, etc. But I feel like because they are good Jews, I feel like because
They wanna
this
do
is being
business.
run by good Jews, they want to run everything like a business, right? I think at some point they figured out कि बस donation से काम चलने वाला है नहीं, ऐसे ही directly. So Adani has always been a front to earn money for the BJP. At
For the
least
party.
first in Gujarat for Modi ji, then it went into like a national scale. And the way they do it is through resource extraction and like वो siphon करके पैसा ये करके वो करके whatever. The whole thing, when I got this theory, when that photo came up of Modi ji traveling with Adani in his plane, I was like, dude, he's behaving like it's his plane. Like, did you see? He's like ऐसे बैठे हुए. I was like, बहुत comfortable है आदमी उधर, right? What if they are the same people? What if Adani is actually the front for the BJP? It's a corporate front. As simple as that. BJP का corporate version is Adani. And so many things start making sense then, right? Which is that एक तो they can't give up Adani then. Because they're so codependent on each other because they're the same thing. You can't let go. Either one can't let go of the other. But at the same time, I do believe that Adani would survive and BJP won't. I mean, BJP will
Of course,
downfall.
of course.
Survive in the sense it will go to a low point, then it will rise again later. But yeah, I feel like Adani is on its way to also seeing some massive hits. I feel like they're going to take some hits also.
And they can, like the BJP can't afford to take the kind of hits that it is taking right now. Adani can survive the hits even if the hits are massive because it is that big. मैं ये सोच रहा था कि Adani Ambani are basically customers, right? They're in the market and BJP is providing them with something. If the BJP wipes everyone else out, then it becomes a monopoly situation from their perspective, right? So they want a market, they want a thriving market where they have choices.
So that they can manipulate.
Yeah.
Mhm,
And
of course.
when it becomes like only I will provide you everything you want, they actually lose out on, like, even if what is before them is the entirety of all the resources, the person selling it is just one guy and he will charge his price. So कोई और आके बोलेगा मैं सस्ते में कर दूंगा, कोई और आके बोलेगा मैं ज्यादा दूंगा इतने पैसे में. So they want that in front of them, I suppose. Although this is a very like surface level whatever.
Yeah.
But I feel like from the point of view of an oligarch, a slightly functioning competitive environment is probably more lucrative.
Is better.
It's better. Yeah. It's absolutely better because, oligarchs, I don't think want everybody to participate in the market, but they want oligarchs to exist. Like they
Yes.
should have like at least 2-3 other people.
हाँ वो तो है ही. Also it is better for, like Vimo said it's better for the market. For example, there are companies that you think are competing companies, but actually they are owned, you as a consumer, actually they're owned by the same person, right? For example, 7-Up and let's say Pepsi, ठीक है, owned by the same guys, Leher wala guys, but then you think that they are in competition or you think that they are so you feel some kind, I don't know, as a consumer, it kind of gives you like this illusion of choice, that you have a choice and you are taking it, and so you have one or the other, and there is this, these ad wars happen and so on and so forth, which are completely fake because they are ultimately
Imagine how
owned by the same
disappointed
person.
we felt, how disappointed we feel when we find out that two brands belong to the same company.
Yeah,
कि जिसको भी खरीदो पैसा तो उसी को मिल रहा है.
पैसा तो
Yeah.
Because
उसी को जाना
we
है.
want a little bit of illusion of control कि हाँ मेरे पास
Yes.
4 choice है. I'm
चार
choosing this. When that goes away, people actually don't like it.
You know, this
Yes.
actually applies when they bid for, contracts and coal and all these mines kharidne ke liye, all the things, because there are like all these subsidiaries everywhere which are bidding for the same infrastructure project. I think there was a story done by Reporters Collective on this, where two companies which are owned partially one by Adani and another wholly by Adani was bidding for the same thing. And it was really bizarre, like, because the corporate network went so like deep that, they're, so again, illusion of control, illusion of choice. Yeah. It's same
Yeah.
same
That's
same
what
thing.
that's what Hindenburg also exposed.
Mirror
na,
now,
this
times
whole-
now, millennial mind is saying. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Mirror now and times now.
Yeah.
It feels so like so much like a betrayal कि तुम इसको ये उसके खिलाफ है पर दोनों एक ही कंपनी को पैसे जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Aaj
Our
Tak and
outrage is
Lallan
feeding the
Top.
same company. Our disappointment is feeding the same company.
Yeah. Aaj Tak and Lallan Top. Aaj Tak India
I swear
Today,
to God,
Lallan
I
Top.
did not know about the Aaj Tak and Lallan Top wala thingy.
Oh, you didn't know
I
Lallan
did
Top
not
is owned
know
by India Today?
No, I did not know that until I met Saurabh Dwivedi.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, and then like when we were talking to each other, and then of course he had like a lot of people had come in to meet him at the event where we were, and I was like, but I really liked watching your shows until you started doing until you started going the India Today way and the Aaj Tak way, and then he's like, no, we have always been owned by India Today. I'm like,
Yeah.
what? I had no
You
idea.
know how
Yeah.
I found out?
हाँ.
It was,
Like, यहाँ पे चैट का भी दिमाग
had a
फट रहा है
blooper
वैसे,
reel.
so ज्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है, so Medusa don't
See,
feel bad. Yeah.
yeah.
There was a blooper reel that they put out at the end of some New Year celebration,
Mm.
where their delivery breaks or someone enters the frame or something. I saw a random, like in the background, the office that you see, it's the India Today office. India Today anchors were entering the frame.
Yeah. And that's
Same
why
building,
Rajdeep
same
Sardesai comes so often on Neta Nagari and all the things,
Yeah,
because they're the same group. They work in the same building, literally. So
Yeah.
it's that. But yeah, anyway, coming back to other events, any other events that you want to talk about?
ये रुक मेरे दिमाग में कुछ था पर मैं भूल गई. You start with something, no? I forgot. I had this point. I forgot what that point
I
was.
wanted to talk about the three bills. And the theories surrounding it,
Let's
because
do that.
that
Yeah,
leads
yeah,
to
I
so
wanted to
many
ask
fun
about the three bills.
places.
So Kapil Sibal say that they can't be passed without a 2/3 majority.
Yeah.
But do you think you can
Constitutional
still
amendment.
pass them with an executive order or something?
So okay, so one thing, so the three bills, we have already explained it, we don't need to explain it again. So the three bills, they can only be passed by a 2/3 majority in both houses, because it's a constitutional amendment, and they have to be ratified by 50% of the states, because it's a federal issue, right? So the thing is, what I found is that a 3-line whip was issued on Wednesday, which is yesterday, which means that all BJP MPs have to be present and have to vote for something that was coming up. Tuesday night is when we find out these three bills are coming, and there is a gaming regulation bill that is also coming. I'm still trying to figure out why, but jo bhi hai, wo separate issue hai. So it comes in, and then it is immediately sent to a standing committee. Right. Vimo, I think you're right. One thing is that they had already prepared for a 400 par scenario in their head. And they
because
were...
this bill did not read like the CA one-page
No.
document. It
No,
felt
no,
like
no.
its work had gone.
Yeah. Work had gone into this. But one of the things what I think is also happening is that if this be the intention, which is like, you can remove CMs, PMs, etc. with like 30 days, and 31st day they are gone. I feel like there is more to this. The running theory in my head is that they want to keep their allies in line.
Yeah.
But the second
सबसे ज्यादा
question,
danger
sorry,
नायडू
just
को है.
Vimod, the second question you asked, will they pass it through an ordinance, right? Technically, you can't pass ordinances on a constitutional,
that's what.
constitutional amendment. Technically, I use this word very consciously because they have done a lot of things which are not technical.
Which cannot be.
Because Aadhaar was passed as a money bill. 100 MPs were just suspended. राहुल गांधी को निकाल दिया था पार्लियामेंट को. महुआ मोइत्रा को कुछ भी बकवास रीजन के लिए निकाल दिया था. Like there are so many instances I can give you from the past 12 years where they have not followed parliamentary procedure. And what ends up happening is that, let's say they pass an ordinance, right? And Aam Aadmi Party, for example, national capital of Delhi का एक ordinance pass हुआ, right? Which gives powers of the entire service to the central government instead of the state government, right? उसके बाद उन्होंने एक बिल भी पास कर दिया. वो 100 लोगों को सस्पेंड करने के बाद वो भी बिल पास किया था, right? they have done this. So what ends up happening is they go to Supreme Court and then वो Supreme Court में फंसा रहता है. That is exactly what is happening with the Election Commission law.
That's affidavit game.
Yeah.
Affidavit.
So even
Yeah,
if they will do
ना
whatever
तो
they
affidavit
want.
पड़ा रहेगा, हम लोग अपना काम करते रहेंगे.
Right, exactly. And you know, the thing is, technically, legally, you can't do this. But I don't think these people care about technicalities
Care
and
about
legalities
technicality.
anyway. So even if they
No, but-
pass an ordinance,
The curious thing is, right now they're not in a position where they can afford to not care.
huh?
Given that the bill is at least partially targeted at their own allies, at the moment they can't afford to not care. आधार का मनी बिल होना, किस चीज को मनी बिल के रूप में पास किया था? आधार ना?
Aadhar.
आधार का मनी बिल होना was happening at a different time when they could, like, you know, flex their muscles and all. Now they can't, even when the bill is torn up and thrown in front of them. So do you think, like, technically, like, the technicality has more of a chance of stopping them this time?
I don't know. I mean, I hope. Again, this is a wild
even I
theory that I have, that there is a chance that they might. Okay, because the thing about ordinances is that once they are cleared, for that period they're active laws without the parliament's consent, right? So even if they're able to activate it for 3 months, right, while the
3 महीने में डाल देंगे सब.
yeah, while the court is doing whatever जो भी चल रहा है वो side में, it works for them, you know, because VP का election होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी, बिहार का election भी होना होगा, like there is a period where they can do this. Again, it's a wild theory I have. I hope it doesn't happen. Just saying, I hope it. I'm just thinking of worst case scenario because I feel like in a lot of ways BJP is now cornered and they can do whatever.
Yeah,
like,
that's why I said
Right.
no. There is a very dangerous situation to be in
Yeah.
because they are so scared about losing power that they'll just do whatever shit. My conspiracy theory is different. I thought they were bringing this to keep the prime minister in line because
No,
because
no.
the whole RSS wala thingy was happening. Okay,
Go on. Like detail.
The RSS, they had this big meeting where the RSS Supremo was also talking about tariffs and all, like random organization. Of course, we know that it is not a random organization, but if you look at it from a layman's perspective, from somebody who does not know who is RSS, why is RSS taking these decisions about the 50% tariff and how it is good and how it is bad. So that thingy happens, and then that high level meeting happens, and then this one goes ahead and talks about how RSS is an NGO from the literal Lal Killa,
yeah,
which
yeah.
has never happened, which had probably क्या कहते हैं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल आत्मा सिंगिंग मेरे रूह का परिंदा फड़फड़ाए. This guy. So that happened. And then there was a statement by an RSS guy. So like नहीं बीजेपी और RSS के बीच में सब कुछ ठीक है. Did you see that? There was
Yeah,
this actual statement.
Yeah.
So when all of this is happening, and there has been from a very long time, there has been this rumor about how everything is not well. तो ये जब वोट चोरी वाला हुआ, and now because the vote chori is costing them, so they want a scapegoat. And in my beautiful imagination, in my very hopeful imagination, in the imagination of my good day, today is a good mental health day time. I thought that it's quite possible that they just want to make the current prime influencer into a scapegoat, and because of that reason they are bringing this कि देखो हम लोग तो corruption के against इतना है कि हम लोग उसको बिठा देंगे, and then Amit Shah is going to be the prime minister, and then he's going to take over for the rest of the year. And also the whole 75-year wala thingy is also coming up.
Yeah. September. अभी next month. मोदी जी का
Next
birthday है,
month ही
75th birthday है. He's turning
17 September.
I have a theory.
हाँ.
So that's why I thought कि it is about.
हाँ.
So it's about that only,
Free
about the Prime
Free
Minister's
Swaradhan.
position thing only. If Amit Shah applies that to Narendra Modi and sits in the Prime Minister's chair, the law will still apply to him, right?
Right.
No, then he'll repeal it.
Got it. But Meghna, do you remember the conversation between Beer Biceps and Rajiv Malhotra?
What did he say?
Modi can become president?
Oh yeah, I remember. Yes,
Yeah.
that was where I had heard it for the
My
first time.
theory is that they're using the Rashtrapati and governor side system as a lifeboat into which they will escape and control the prime ministerial hierarchy of prime minister, chief minister, etc. from there. So that, and that is why all this is like आज Supreme Court
Yeah,
ने
that's
पूछा
why
है
the
कि
whole attack on federalism, right?
गवर्नर को बोला कि तुम लोग ऐसे ही लॉ के ऊपर 2 साल 3 साल तक बैठे नहीं रह सकते.
बैठे
Supreme
रहना.
Court ने आज कहा है आज या कल का है.
Hmm.
So, with all this happening, I'm seeing a slight sideways shuffling into the whole president and governor system
Hmm.
by these two. कि अगर सब कुछ आग लग गई तो हम लोग वहां
Hmm.
शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे और वहां से कंट्रोल करेंगे. इट्स अ स्टूपिड थियरी
And
बट
also,
स्टिल.
they will be immune from prosecution also, by the way,
Yeah.
Yeah.
as far as I know.
And
Also,
this
यहाँ
is
पे
not a new
Val is
plan.
saying, sorry,
This is what NRI uncles have been saying for 5, 6, 7 years now.
Hmm.
yeah,
So who knows? Democracy is not a good thing. India should not be a
yeah,
democracy.
yeah.
We should have a presidential one person, one strong man rule, etc., etc.
फिर one nation, one election भी बहुत आराम से हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा आराम
Yeah.
से फिर.
No, so sorry, Val is making a point here. No ordinance can't happen because of Article 368. Only act can amend the constitution. Again, see, as I said, it's a constitutional
Technically,
amendment.
yeah.
Ordinance
Hmm.
can't be done. But
Right.
again, my argument there is that these people have gone nuts. They can do whatever they want. I don't
Someone
think they
in-
care
someone in
about laws
chat-
anymore.
Someone in chat has said farm laws were passed with a voice note.
Yes,
It's called a voice
Yeah.
vote.
voice vote. Yeah.
Voice note is what you send on WhatsApp. I will still not put it past them. They might actually pass a law using
Yeah.
voice note. WhatsApp पे बोल के भेज दिया, कानून बना दिया.
But I like
Finally.
your theory, Vimo, the president
Right,
and
isn't it?
governor theory, because it makes so much sense. It's like, हम
Why
कट
is not
लेंगे.
why doesn't anyone like my theory? I think my theory is very good.
मेरा,
No, your
I-
theory is good, except that it jeopardizes Amit Shah also.
yeah.
No, but then that's the thing. He'll be like, but and now I am prime minister, so now it doesn't apply anymore. I am saying this. Because imagine, no, he was talking about like during this bill ka introduction itself, he was talking about the BJP and moral standards. How the BJP was
Yeah.
like. Can you like? It's like so bizarre. It's like in this bizarro world, he's talking about moral standards and how Nirmala
मेरे को
Sitharaman then
देख रहा
chimes
हूँ.
in and talks about how BJP has fought corruption. Bloody every single corrupt neta is in your
Party.
is in your fold. Every single one of them,
It's a
starting
cartel.
from Himanta Biswa Sarma
Yeah.
to this guy Pawar. What is his name?
Ajit Pawar.
Everyone is in your fold.
अरे
And
समाजवादी
even Navin
पार्टी,
Jindal also. poor thing.
समाजवादी पार्टी MP, I forget his name. He also said no कि अरे चक्की पीसिंग वाले तुम्हारी तो पार्टी में बैठे हुए हैं. What are you talking about? So
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, like, yeah, true.
Do you remember KC Venugopal saying कि जब अमित शाह के ऊपर केस हुआ था when he was in Gujarat and he said मैं नैतिक मूल्यों का सम्मान करते हुए मैंने इस्तीफा दे दिया था.
Yeah.
Mhm.
उसको ये बोलना चाहिए था जवाब में कि भाई तूने ये इसलिए किया था क्योंकि तुझे पता था कि अमित शाह को उस समय पता था कि होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह नहीं है. It still used to damn fucking work. He knew that if he
Yes.
goes away he can come back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. True. That's very true. And
That
oh,
was-
sorry, like you mentioned the RSS because my other point was going to be about the RSS. And Vimo, I think I'll start with you also. Do you think there is a internal battle happening between the RSS and BJP in general?
Definitely. It's
How-
like Godzilla versus King Kong and I'm the guy who says let them fight.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I will
events.
also say. I'll take
Events.
pictures.
Elaborate.
See, RSS ka, I told you RSS is the one that is interested in cultural change.
Hmm.
What the BJP has in fact affected is the appearance of change without actual change. People don't like them. They have created a system where it looks like people like them.
Illusion. Yeah.
RSS actually wants people to, like, which is
Mhm.
what Modi is also like.
Hmm.
Amit Shah's methods are like, I don't care what people want. I don't care what the will of the democracy actually is. I want power. And if I need to wear the sweater of democracy and only look like a democratically elected person, then I'll do it.
Hmm.
So I don't have access to the innards of this, but RSS has a problem with Amit Shah or Narendra Modi
Hmm.
or both. I don't know.
RSS
But
has
there's
a
definitely a disagreement.
problem with, I feel like, just the BJP, the way it is right now. Like, let's put it this way. The current version of BJP is what they have a problem with, which is the Amit Shah Modi led BJP.
They had a problem with the Vajpayee version of BJP also. Remember?
Or do they
He-
pretend?
he's making
I
too much
often
space
think
for
they
all this.
pretend.
Uh,
Like I feel like, because when I always notice this whenever Mohan Bhagwat or someone speaks in all these grand speeches that they give, they speak like a vamp boss. They never mention anyone. They always talk like हाँ like side वो करते हैं ना side tweeting करते हैं slide tweeting वैसे करते हैं हाँ वो जिसको समझना है समझ लीजिए 75 साल में resignation लेना पड़ेगा जिसको समझना है समझ like यार ये क्या है यार
इसे बोल रहे हो उस 19 साल के लड़के को जो तो मेरे बगल में खड़ा है
exactly like and so they never directly say anything so I don't trust anything they say like I don't trust the RSS as an organization in general because they are very sly very insidious also fun fact chat another mind-blowing fact RSS is in fact not registered as an NGO
Yeah.
मोदी जी ने वहां पे भी सेल्फ गोल मार दिया है दैट ही कॉल्ड इट द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट एनजीओ बट व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड लुकिंग इनटू इट कैरावन का आर्टिकल भी है इट इज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड एज एन एनजीओ एंड द रीजन व्हाई दे आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड एज एन एनजीओ इज बिकॉज दे डिडंट वांट टू रिवील वेयर दे गेट देयर डोनेशंस फ्रॉम एंड वेयर दे स्पेंड देयर मनी बिकॉज एन एनजीओ नीड्स टू रिवील ऑल ऑफ दिस publicly
So what are they registered as?
nothing they're like they're
nothing.
registered as a movement apparently which is such a thing apparently I don't know
bowel movement
Yeah, they have like tiny
That's
companies.
orange also.
Section 8 companies बोलते हैं. I just processed it while I was
क्या खाया
talking.
था was it something you ate no I've always been like this
For once, Medusa is not the one who is cracking the shit jokes. I love it. But yeah,
Medusa
it
भूल गई।
is RSS is a movement. Now I can't make the point I'm making. I can't with this.
ए मुझे पॉटी ह्यूमर अवार्ड नहीं चाहिए रखो अपने पास अवार्ड वापसी
Oh
Oh
God.
my god.
Oh God. What is that YP thing, Medusa, which you had mentioned like so long ago?
what
I
YP
forgot about it.
It's called
The
something.
mic, it looks like the podcast mic also.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think
even
chat
I
will
forgot.
remember whichever the thing is. But yeah, so it's registered as a movement. It's a very illegal movement also. It's an illegal movement.
Oh god.
There are many smaller companies that flow from this movement. And those companies are the ones who own assets. Sorry, I was making a serious point. Now I can't.
I apologize
Sorry.
in case anyone is offended at least that's it's a necessary movement right
It is. God.
it has to happen
Oh my god.
तो ये स्वच्छ भारत
My
अभियान
cheeks
करना ही पड़ेगा अभी ये मूवमेंट को टेक केयर करने के लिए Okay,
Oh
wait. I'm
God.
going to pause here and we'll do super chat round 1 and then we'll come back. Okay. For
Okay.
general public, this is a live stream and we are recording and there are many super chats and many comments. So we'll come back. तुम लोग JCB की खुदाई देखो.
somebody said God please I'm eating
Okay, we'll be back. Hello, we are back. Hello, Dr. Medusa and Vibho, and we
Yeah.
are back with our co-therapy session. This is a co-therapy session, and we are talking about the downfall of BJP and things
You know
that
what? The downfall again reminded me of movement.
don't start again. We paused for that very reason, Medusa. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's just say decline and fall of the Roman Empire and be done with it. That's
Yeah.
what we are going to call it from now on. The Roman Empire.
Roman Empire. When
Yeah.
Roman Empire went to shit.
Yeah.
Through pipes made of lead.
Pipes made of lead.
No, that's why it actually disintegrated. Remember?
What?
One of the reasons it is said that Roman Empire.
Also, they had a lot of lead poisoning also.
Lead. They got a lot of them died because of lead poisoning because all their pipes were made of lead. So the Roman
Oh.
Empire died because they made pipes out of lead.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Fun
That's
fact.
where the word plumber comes from.
Yep.
Because lead is plumbum.
Huh?
So the guy who works on pipes is still called plumber.
Oh, damn.
That's when it started.
Oh, damn.
They didn't
Okay.
know that it was poisonous, so they made their pipes with lead and then
They just died.
Fun fact. Fun fact. I love this.
That is a fun fact.
Yes, yes.
I think about Roman Empire all the time.
I right now, especially. Right
At
now.
least
yeah.
once a day.
This empire of BJP is ending, so I love it. I'm here to see it. My mental health is top notch. We've been streaming a lot now. Medusa has been making a lot of content as a result as well. कि फट गई है Medusa एकदम
Even
अंदर
I
से.
made a couple, imagine that.
हाँ, even Vimo came out of
Yes.
like his what is it, sannyas and started again making like reels and stuff. Hey Vimo.
Somebody was saying also, Nabi Super Chat mein, he needs to come back.
Oh yeah. Vimo, someone was saying you need to come back and
He
you
came
need
back,
to.
I'm here. What else?
He's here. Yeah, he's here. Hey, he's doing an important job. He's writing an amazing science fiction novel. So please let
I
him.
don't know how amazing it is, but I'm writing a science fiction novel. Let's
Yeah,
see what happens.
I want him to write more. So please, I've donated to his writers fund also, which I will
Yeah.
leave a link below. You still have that on,
नहीं
right?
नहीं अभी नहीं वो खत्म हो गया वो
खत्म
14
हो
दिन के लिए था. It was a way to support an organization.
हाँ.
It was a fundraiser.
Okay, it was a fundraiser. Okay. So anyway,
Tersorium.
Tersorium is the thing. Yes,
Tersorium.
Tersorium is the thing that
What is
Medusa
tersorium?
Tersorium.
It's the. I
Bata.
forgot about it. It's so basically at one point of time the rich people in Europe, they had communal toilets, no? So they would like just sit together and do their shit thingy. So to wash, they would use this long stick with a sponge attached to
Vinegar.
it, and it was a common thingy, and then it would be washed with bleach and all. But it was common, so that was the tersorium.
Yeah.
It's basically a long stick with the brush attached.
And the toilets
it.
were out in the open. Like there was
Yeah.
a bench-like thing
Communal
with
thingy,
holes
like
in
all-
it.
multiple, yeah.
Everyone sat on it. They did their thing. They took the brush. They wiped their bottom, put the brush back, and the next person picked up that brush only, and they did it. This is how
Amazing.
Roman Empire died, people.
This is how Roman Empire
It
died.
wasn't
Exactly.
wars.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. I'm coming back away from the poopies.
This time successfully.
Yes. This is going to be. I want to talk to the
Attempt
about
number 3.
yes, item number 3, which is
Attempt.
the camps within BJP. Many rumors around it, right? One is a rumor that there are multiple camps, one is a Maharashtra faction, which is Devendra Fadnavis. Sometimes they include Nitin Gadkari in it also. I don't know. I think he's very much in it. Then there is another faction, which is the Yogi faction. And then there is the Shah and Modi faction, which is the Gujarat faction. So these are the 3 factions within the BJP, and there's a reason for it. I feel like it also makes sense. So Modi Shah currently dominating faction in power, etc. Maharashtra is where the money comes from mostly, and UP is where the votes come from. So both of those factions have 2 other poles, and then
Yeah.
this one is the one that is holding it. So it is only a question of which one gets to dominate, because according to that, Modi's successor would be chosen, I feel.
Interesting.
Okay. So, what do you think? What comes after Modi? Because अभी downfall की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो मोदी के बाद क्या होगा वो भी सोचना पड़ेगा ना फिर.
Yeah, I really don't think Modi's successor is going to come from Mumbai or from Maharashtra. It's going to be Yogi only.
Yogi?
Yeah.
When you say
Matlab,
Modi
I don't-
successor, you mean the next prime minister?
No. I mean successor in the sense like they will
the
want a
BJP guy.
figurehead after that also.
Figurehead.
Like
Is
some.
Modi the figurehead? I suppose he is.
I mean,
Yeah.
think about it this way, right? Like, I feel like BJP has been irrevocably transformed now as an election machinery.
Yeah.
And the election machinery is dependent on a figurehead being projected to the people, which, they can, pump up that figurehead, all the thing, and then hero worship, cult worship karke, they will get votes. So presidential style. So they will try to do it again, I feel like. They'll try it and fail maybe, but they will try. So who will be the successor figurehead?
I don't even think the BJP is an election machine, but I've said enough about that.
Wha-
But yeah, I think it's probably going to be someone like Adityanath.
मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कि like for example
Patil.
Shivraj Singh and these guys, they are considered apparently extremely, especially during the elections वाला time पे कितना ज्यादा मतलब
मामा जी
ये
ना?
बात आई थी. हाँ
MP के मामा जी.
हाँ मामा जी and all. So he was also considered like one of the big guns of BJP and all. So but then I don't know, maybe it's because I live here and I see so much of like yogi all around me all the time कि मेरे को दूसरे लोगों का मतलब चांस ही नहीं लग रहा है योगी जी के सामने. तो मुझे तो लगता ही नहीं है कि they can't
कोई बोल रहा है फडणवीस होगा.
फडणवीस हो सकता, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. फडणवीस is also a contender.
unimpressive. I mean even in his vitriol, क्योंकि because see मेरा point of view एकदम अलग है, क्योंकि I think that the currency that the BJP uses for everything is hate, and nobody hates better than Yogi.
Better
Right
than
now,
Yogi.
Himanta is doing it. Right now, Himanta is very good in
But
doing the
is
whole
Himanta
hate
even in the
thingy.
race?
Sorry?
Is
Is
Himanta in the successor
not
race?
right now. Not right now. He's trying very hard, because if you remember during the elections, he was invited. He was with. He went to all of these states for their events, and he did campaigning in his broken Hindi, in his absolutely accented Hindi. He did go to even to Shivraj Singh के साथ भी उसका वो है. He went to Maharashtra also. He went to MP. He went everywhere. And if you remember, जब
But that
Operation
didn't
Lotus हुआ
work
था
ना,
महाराष्ट्र
Medusa.
में.
See, that's my thing. It didn't work.
Even when महाराष्ट्र में वो हुआ था, Operation Lotus हुआ था, वो उसी के होटल में जाके रुके थे गुवाहाटी में. So he is not in the picture right now. He's not in the race right now. But I think he's when I think of it, because that's my parent state and this is my right now livelihood state. So both में मुझे लगता है कि इसका बीजेपी का सबसे बड़ा करेंसी नफरत है, और नफरत ये इन दोनों के अलावा और कोई बढ़िया से नहीं फैलाता.
But if the Nafrat card stops working, which I think it
Yeah,
will at some
then-
point,
then,
which it is already happening, right? Nafrat card is stopping,
I think.
and I think caste card will go up also a little bit more in the coming few years. Then in that case, Yogi ji loses his currency also.
I think यहाँ पे
If
एक
that
और
happens, yes.
एक
Then
और चीज होगा.
Fadnavis. हाँ, sorry, बोल Vimo.
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि when Narendra Modi came to the forefront, it was 2014. He came to the forefront against a backdrop of UPA, right?
Right.
So if we go from Modi directly to another BJP guy, hate will be the deciding factor.
Right.
But if Modi goes and the UPA comes, the India Alliance comes, and then after a few years another BJP guy comes, that BJP guy cannot come to power on the power of hate.
Correct.
Okay.
Kyunki the 2014 campaign was all about quote unquote development and progress
Corruption and development, yeah.
all the anti-corruption, etc. So that is, I think, what will be the deciding factor. Whether there is a gap or not. If there isn't a gap, then I think Adityanath, as
So
Midun says,
in a very strange way, what I feel like is that BJP will go into hibernation for a bit, right? Which is I think
Recoup.
a perfect place for someone like Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is a perfect contender for like a hibernation state BJP, or even Shivraj for that matter, right? Which is like they are good with everyone. Like, I mean, they're friends with a lot of people. They can form coalitions. They can like laugh things away, and they're very real people, right? Corrupt hai, but real hai, right? So everybody can tolerate them. Also, another factor why I say this is because of Rajiv Pratap Rudy winning the Constitution Club elections.
Yes.
Because Rajiv Pratap Rudy is a very old khiladi. Okay, he's a 20-year, I think he's been an MP for 20 years. And he's a very modern cosmopolitan person also by himself. Like he's a pilot. He lives in Khan Market for years, and he runs around in those elite liberal circles a lot, right? I feel like if there has to be a successor to Modi, it won't be anyone like Modi. It would be more like a Lutyens person. It would be more like that old school UPA,
Someone more palatable.
someone who can operate in Delhi. Because that
Yeah.
is important, right? Someone who can operate in Delhi in an environment which is not great for the BJP to operate in. I think they'll need that sort of a diplomatic person, right? And I don't think any of the current lot really have that. Maybe
You
Devendra
know
is.
whose picture came into my mind?
Hmm.
Shashi Tharoor.
Oh, नहीं वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा. Please, 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 no.
नहीं करेगा. I
That is
think
one
he's gonna
conspiracy I
God.
don't believe in.
Yeah.
Like I thought that would be the best person. और कौन होएगा? क्योंकि उनके पास तो कोई है नहीं. They don't have anyone who can like operate like the thing you said कि
है
operate
ना
in
रूडी?
the looting.
ये राजीव प्रसाद रूडी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब का इलेक्शन जीतना व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ प्रैक्टिकल रियल लाइफ आउट impact is it likely to have?
See, again, it's like
Not
a.
real life
Right?
थी हाँ.
Nothing.
No, I'll tell you. So, Constitution Club essentially was founded in, I believe, the 70s sometime, which is like a informal hangout place for MPs, current and formal. So, you can take a membership. It's like a club. You take a membership. If you're an MP, former or current, you take a membership. There are some 1,200 members there. And you can book halls to hold meetings. You can use the gym
Parties,
facility. They have a great
eat.
gym, by the way. I've been. We used to work out of the Constitution Club whenever I came to
When
Delhi.
you say workout, you mean
No, work out, matlab not
Acha,
in the
work
gym.
out of.
Work out of, not work out
work
in
out
the gym.
in the
Yeah.
gym? Hmm.
While other MPs worked out, we were given a space in the yoga room in the afternoons because yoga room ko use nahi karta tha. Tab, before Modi, pre-Modi, nobody was crazy about yoga, I guess. But yeah, so it's a informal meeting place for these MPs, and it's nice. It's a club. And so it's like sometimes because it's so close to the parliament and there are so many important people who are members, etc. It's a very interesting dynamic which people have turned into this whole Yogi camp versus like Amit Shah Modi camp, whatever chal raha tha. But fun. Rajiv Pratap Rudy won again with a very big margin, and he was supported by the opposition MPs. Okay. Anything else you have to say about the camp thing? Because I have
No,
another
not
one after
really.
this.
What camp did you? Also, listen, no. I think we have talked about this before also that Amit Shah and Narendra Modi, they have systematically sidelined the old guard. And I'm not just
Yes.
talking about the Advani and all, but then the veterans of ye.
Yes.
Even Nitin Gadkari, because Nitin Gadkari has so much of clout, that's the reason why he's even surviving. But who else do you? पहले हम लोगों को मुझे मतलब वो जब हम लोग स्कूल कॉलेज में थे वी वुड रिमेम्बर द नेम ऑफ द स्कूल में थे तो वी वुड रिमेम्बर द नेम ऑफ द ऑल द कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स किसको कौन सा कैबिनेट है किसका अब तो थिंक ऑफ इट यू प्रोबेबली डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर हु इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गुजरात हु इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गुजरात व्हाट्स हिज नेम तो ये लोगों को याद सो बेसिकली दे हैव टेकन आउट द ओल्ड गार्ड सो व्हेन यू से कि मोदी के बाद कौन यू एक्चुअली हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द रीजनल players like Shivraj Singh and Devendra Fadnavis because I don't know whether people would know Devendra Fadnavis in Assam. उसको
Yeah.
नहीं पता किसी को पता नहीं होगा
नहीं
who is
पता होगा.
Devendra Fadnavis they wouldn't know. या फिर शिवराज के बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत चलो पता होगा but then they wouldn't know.
Correct.
तो but Rajnath Singh they would.
Gadkari they
But then
would.
Rajnath Singh is nowhere. Almost nowhere.
Yeah.
यहाँ यूपी में उनकी धाक है बट नेशनली स्पीकिंग ही इज द फ्रिकिंग डिफेंस मिनिस्टर डिड यू इवन सी हिम ड्यूरिंग द होल ऑपरेशन सिंदूर थिंग ही नो
No.
ओनली पार्लियामेंट में आके बयान दिया था सो
Cappy
दे
says-
हैव
Cappy says everyone knows Kangana.
Yeah, exactly. Kangana, by that logic,
Kangna for prime minister
Kangana ran out for Modi's successor. Yeah, like
बन के छोड़ भी
that
देगी.
would be so good though
yeah, an
That would be,
appropriate
like, at
leader
least
for this
entertaining.
movement. This extreme movement that is about to happen. No, I have another thing which I
Yeah.
wanted to get to, which was the VP scenes. the vice president
Mhm.
scenes. I feel like that is also a very interesting event that is
Very
happening.
interesting.
Um, okay, so right now at this point of time, एक तो धनकर जी गायब है, which is very strange, dude. I mean,
That is
I
so
feel like what is
strange.
it's so freaking strange. Like, has he been disappeared?
छुट्टी पे
It's
गया
like a Black Mirror episode, man, where we know something is happening, but nobody is talking about it. Nobody is taking it seriously. The vice president of a country, one day giving lecture on TV, like trying to keep the camera on his face, and then second day gone.
Dude, Twitter
No
handle deleted?
Twitter handle deleted and given it to someone else.
Yeah, with a
What the
tree
hell?
photo.
अंडा फोटो है उसमें हाँ
Huh?
ट्विटर वाले हैंडल में
What the hell is going on?
I
Vibhu,
am
you have a
extremely
theory?
worried.
No. I think
No?
he worked very hard and he's taking a well-earned vacation somewhere outside India or even within India after having shaved off his head or changed his clothes. Maybe he's hitting the gym for health reasons. What's so suspicious about this? Why are you guys being needlessly suspicious?
I am very suspicious.
Do you guys
If
have
he- if he's-
listen, sorry, I don't know why, but ever since because I've worked with politicians, no, and I've been to like some shady places doing shady things. I've always in my head had an escape plan. Okay.
Oh,
Which is like the whole reason why I grew a beard and long hair is because I want the option of
Of cutting it off
completely
Shave it
indefinitely.
off.
going hairless and just nobody will recognize me immediately. Right? It's like just it'll take like literally half an hour and I'm gone. Do you guys have an escape plan?
no.
Like Dhankar has probably done.
I did have an escape plan, but my passport has expired, and now my institution is not going to give me an NOC so that I can renew my passport. So my escape plan is gone.
Dhankad ka, imagine if Dhankad's escape plan was like a little more cartoonish. He would be sitting in the parliament saying, "Baith jaiye," suddenly he pulls a lever and a door opens up and it drops into it, and we never see him again.
You will never see him again. Oh.
He emerges
Oh,
from a
wait,
tunnel.
we have called Dhankar Wormtail all the time.
Yeah,
What if he
Wormtail.
transformed? What if he was like an
Dude,
anime?
yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
What if he transformed
What if-
into a rat again?
What if the joke is on us?
Yeah.
That we were calling him Wormtail, but he actually is Wormtail, and so the joke is on us.
He's an
What if that
animagus.
is-
Animagus.
Animagus.
Animagus. Yeah, there is an animagus. Also, sorry, I was just thinking of my
The new
escape
VC
plan.
candidates.
Huh?
The new VP candidates.
Yeah,
you're
the
talking
new
about.
VP candidates, right? The VP candidate. So NDA has put up a candidate, and opposition India
Most
alliance
beloved
together.
and what respected? What
yes,
is it?
Yes. The candidate they've put up has used our most beloved like 15 times or something. But funny. So their candidate is from Tamil Nadu because they wanted to make it awkward for the DMK to cross vote against the Tamil Nadu candidate. So India Alliance came up with a candidate from Telangana.
Andhra.
Andhra, sorry, Andhra. Now it will make it awkward for Naidu to vote against the candidate. Just wanted to point out it is going to be a secret vote. So we don't know what is going to happen, right? So it's going to be a fun election anyway. What do you think, guys? Do you think this is it? Do you think we are going to get an opposition chairman in the Rajya Sabha finally?
Does the opposition have the numbers for it? I don't think they do.
I've been trying to look at the numbers. One article said that there is a chance because again, it's a secret
Yes.
vote.
Hmm.
So you don't know, right? It can't be unless the election commission is compromised. Oh shit!
Aito was
It
looking,
is.
Aito was looking at their pictures because they have similar hair and beard styles. I thought इतना secret हो कि लोगों को पता भी चलेगा. They will be happy that their guy won and the other guy would have won. They look the same.
Yeah. But they do actually. Now that I think of it, yeah. But anyway, but if
Do you think
you-
that was strategic? Let's choose someone who looks exactly like their candidate.
probably, I wouldn't put it past them. Or maybe old people look alike now.
Who knows?
In this generation now old people look alike. So किसी को by the way chat किसी ने calculation किया है क्या इसका like on a regular ये but my thing is there might be a chance that he might win.
Yeah, and I am thinking of it as a क्या कहते हैं इसको, शक्ति परीक्षण.
Mm.
Because even if their guy wins, even if the NDA guy wins, it will depend the number of votes कि कैसे जीत रहा है, क्या है. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल द होल रूडी वाला थिंग, यू नो, इट स्टिल अमित शाह का कैंडिडेट लूजिंग वाज अ बिग थिंग.
Hmm.
ठीक है, एंड इट वाज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ लाइक जिंदगी में कभी सुना ही नहीं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्लब का भी कोई वो होता है, इलेक्शन होता है, बट अचानक से आपको सुनाई दे रहा है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्लब का इलेक्शन हो रहा है और उसमें ये बंदा जीत गया. तो दैट इज लाइक शक्ति परीक्षण थिंगी. अमित शाह का कैंप लूज कर रहा है एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. दैट्स वेयर द होल डाउट was had started coming in, no? And उसमें तो मुझे ये VP वाला थिंगी भी थोड़ा बहुत लग रहा है, because today Arvind Kejriwal out of nowhere, I don't know where he came from, he just like this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
like
He met with me.
आंध्रा के प्राइड का वो है, तो मैं आंध्र प्रदेश के इन लोगों से सबसे से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो अपने कैंडिडेट को वोट दे ऐसे करके. तो किसी ने वो वाला ट्वीट किया था, ये मारा तीर. And I remembered the time when, because Kejriwal was the one who had come out of jail. First press conference he does, he talks about Prime Minister's age and 75 years.
That's true.
ठीक है.
That's very true.
So he is doing this.
That's true.
ये धीरे धीरे छोड़ने वाला काम वो कर तो रहा है, ठीक है. So I don't know. I'm hopeful.
तो
I'm
चैट
hopeful.
ने कैलकुलेशन किया बाय द वे. So 770 is the total LSRS, which is called the Electoral College. They need 392 to win. Currently NDA has 455, and then someone is saying even if YSRCP and TDP cross vote, still there is no chance that
अच्छा.
the opposition ye will win. But the fact is, secret vote, guys. Why do you think BJP MPs will not be able to vote for the opposition candidate? Who knows?
Yeah,
What if they're
totally.
upset?
Yeah.
What if they're
I
upset?
agree.
Yeah.
Words. Even Naidu's guys might
Yeah.
choose to go into a situation where their position is more secure,
Yeah.
right?
I feel like
Yes.
that.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't want
yes.
this kind of a bill to be passed, even though I can't speak about it openly. So they might have internal arrangements to make sure that there is a more impartial person in charge of the house.
Yeah. So the person who suggested, you know, like someone is saying party discipline की वजह से नहीं होगा cross vote. But dude, if this is not a party, this is a cartel, and now that you know Amit Shah and Modi are at an all-time low popularity wise, discipline वगैरह बचेगा नहीं ना boss. That's also a thing. Like I mean, I feel like the discipline is only surface level at this point.
Because how long can you see someone? It's like literally a monster which has gobbled up these smaller parties and like absorbed them. तो आपको दिख तो रहा है ना कि ये हो रहा है. So why would you not be scared? Like, I don't know if it is, but then it is a toxic relationship, and sometimes it's like these people who think, oh नहीं मैं सुधार लूंगा या मैं सुधार सकती हूँ टाइप का जो कॉम्प्लेक्स रहता है. तो if ये, I don't know if they think they are these partners हो, लेकिन नहीं हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, हमारे साथ ऐसा नहीं करेगा. तो I have, maybe this can be an idea about like how the BJP is like a toxic boyfriend.
Like yeah.
तो मैंने पूरा आर्टिकल लिखा था.
Content
नरेंद्र
idea.
मोदी इज द टॉक्सिक बॉयफ्रेंड.
Oh, he is. कहाँ है? भेज तो मेरे को, मैं
3-4
वीडियो
साल पहले मैंने
बनाएगा
लिखा
उस पे.
था. हाँ.
मैं वीडियो बनाएगा उस पे. How he is the toxic boyfriend. So they are actually से like कभी ना कभी तो बुद्धि का सूर्योदय होगा ही ना. तो it's quite possible.
Which leads me to the question कि अगर बिहार में इलेक्शन होता है and नीतीश कुमार retires after that, they take all the JDU people and stuff them into BJP. Will the BJP have enough seats then?
JDU will be gone.
Probably no. Again, see, I don't. So
No,
number
JDU
wise,
has like 15, 17, no? How many seats does JDU
chat
have?
बताएगा. Like accurate numbers. I feel like Atharva is here. He will tell us soon. But so one thing is whip काम नहीं करेगा because it's a secret vote. So that's another detail. People in chat are also saying this is just optimistic, wishful thinking, right? Which is fine.
yeah.
Which is fine. But I like
Hey, we
being.
can sometimes,
Yeah,
I
we can
am
be optimistic,
usually so
उसमें क्या है?
hopeless, bros.
Yeah.
Guys, chat, I have no hope. Like, can you not be happy for me once?
Yeah. And
हाँ,
shocks
वो
have
वैसे ही भूल
happened.
जाती है उसको क्या होप था.
Shocks have happened. I mean, like, it's not. Sorry, Vimo says something and it takes me time to process, but I've already started a sentence and then I process it.
I'm sorry, I'll shut up now.
No. Bol. No, but my thing is that whip can't be issued. It is an optimistic scenario, but we'll see what happens. It's interesting if they lose the Rajya Sabha. Let's assume the optimistic scenario. They lose the Rajya Sabha. They have a vice president there. We have a vice president who is like an India Alliance candidate. We'll finally have a chairman in Rajya Sabha who is doing the job of a chairman, which we haven't seen in years. I feel like it would be nice for the opposition.
Which is exactly why it may not happen, is what people are suspecting.
Yeah, because लोगों को ना
We
मार
don't
खाने की
live in that
आदत पड़
world.
गई है.
It's
hope-
slightly better than the world where BJP has 400 seats, but we don't live in a world where this kind of a good thing can happen.
Yeah,
If it
yeah.
happens, we'll be happy.
It's like, how can good things happen? How is it even possible? इतना मार खा लिया हमने और कितना होप दोगे भैया? But your verdict, like, I mean, do you think there is a possibility of VP's India Alliance VP winning?
I'll be optimistic and say yes, they will. But then I'm being optimistic.
I will be realist and I will say no, but there will be a significant vote on our side, and that will be like a wake up call kind of a thingy. I don't know.
Okay.
No one knows. It's okay.
No one knows. I'm also on optimistic side. Let's see. I like wild scenarios. I want like Bhuchal to happen because my channel does very well when
bro,
Bhuchal
guys,
happens.
remember, think about it. When was the last time we took or anyone took any interest in the vice president elections?
That's true. That's
It's
very true.
Bochani. Just like
It was so non-interesting that the whole electoral college wala thingy wala that math that we used to do when we were in school, civics wala jo wo karte the, तो उसमें भी it's like उस टाइम का भी मुझको याद नहीं है कि कितना रिप्रेजेंटेशन का कितना वोट है या कितना वो है. I don't even remember that. Like, what was the last time you took an interest in the
Yeah.
But yeah.
But
This is
guys,
like
see,
that post-apocalyptic scenario where you find a teddy bear on the roadside and you're like, oh no, a mark of civilization. Under normal circumstances, you won't pay it any attention, right? But
yeah.
वैसे ही हो रहा है.
Exactly.
उम्मीद के लिए we're grabbing onto anything.
And उम्मीद के
I
लिए,
know,
you know,
right?
if you grab onto it fully, I say.
हाँ.
Right? Because if we have a VP supported by India Alliance, ज्ञानेश गैसलाइटर का impeachment होगा बॉस. मतलब तुम सोचो भैया कि राज्यसभा से impeachment proceedings देखने को मिलेगा. वो जो corrupt judge है उसका भी proceeding देखने को मिलेगा. It will become extremely uncomfortable for the BJP and it will accelerate their downfall. So yeah, why not? मजे आएंगे.
Would love it.
There is Meg who is
मैं
asking.
पता है 1 महीने का छुट्टी लेके मेघनाथ तेरे यहाँ पे क्रैश करने आऊंगा. अपन लोग रोज रात को अपन स्ट्रीम करेंगे,
या.
लाइव स्ट्रीम
अरे
करेंगे.
बॉस मतलब
मैं
फिर
छुट्टी
तो
लेके आऊंगा.
तेल का हो
Imagine the
जाएगा.
number of poop jokes.
Yeah. What we'll do is, guys, here's a proposal. If this chaotic scenario just unfolds where we are seeing impeachment and you know Rajya Sabha में craziness हो रहा है,
No confidence motion.
हम ना एक फार्म हाउस बुक कर लेंगे, राइट? वहां पे हम विमो भी आ जाएगा, मैं भी आ जाएगा, मेडुसा भी आ जाएगा. हम ना रात को बैठ के राउंड टेबल्स करेंगे एंड फिर वहां पे स्ट्रीम करेंगे एंड देन यू नो द होल वर्ल्ड कैन बेसिकली डिस्कस विद अस व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. सो हमारा साइड में स्ट्रीम्स चल ही रहा होगा दिन भर.
इतना, लेकिन तू ये सोचना कितना एक्साइटिंग हुआ करता था एक टाइम पे. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर द टाइम व्हेन द वाजपेयी गवर्नमेंट फेल बाय 1 vote. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर इट. मतलब मैं I think that was the first time I took any interest in politics. And I was like, क्या हो रहा है? तेरा अभी तो इलेक्शन हुए थे, अभी तो 13 दिन ही हुए हैं, क्या हुआ, क्या है? And then I see it fall. I'm like, what? and I was so upset because at उस टाइम पे तो छोटा बच्चा कुछ पता है नहीं, हम लोग अटल जी तो कितने अच्छे थे,
हाँ
कितने अच्छे आदमी थे, वो तो उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था कि समतल करना पड़ेगा वाला उन्होंने ही दिया था. And then I
Yeah.
was like कि कैसे एक वोट से कैसे हार गए. I was so sad and so yes तो but then कितना एक्साइटमेंट था उस टाइम पे, सोचना.
True.
इंद्र कुमार गुजराल की सरकार 13 महीने में चली गई, 11 दिन में अटल जी की चली गई, 3 साल में देवेगौड़ा की चली
people
गई.
respected that also. हाँ ठीक है, हमारे पास काम है, हम जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ.
अभी तो मतलब कम है, भाड़ में गया इलेक्शन, वोटर
अरे बस लॉ चेंज कर देंगे,
भाड़
रूल
में गया,
चेंज
मैं
कर
बैठा
देंगे,
रहूंगा.
इसको
बेशर्मी.
रिजॉर्ट में बंद कर देंगे, इसको ये कर देंगे.
Meg has been asking a question for a while, which I wanted an answer for. Honestly asking, has their popularity actually declined, or is it wishful thinking for people like us living in a bubble?
No, it has actually declined.
Yeah.
Declined.
I
It
also
has
think
very clearly visually actually declined. जिसका पॉपुलैरिटी डिक्लाइन नहीं होता ना, उसको अपने स्पीचेस के सामने भीड़ भरने के लिए लोगों को पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते. और देयर आर सो मेनी अदर साइंस ऑफ इट आल्सो.
which we are discussing for like
Yeah,
more than an hour and a half. Go back, Meg, and look at it. Like, I mean, we have given you so many examples right now about the signs of decline. That's the whole point of this stream. We are giving you signs that
Thumbnail
we
पे
have
लिखा है.
seen. Huh?
Actually
हमने पे लिखा है.
हाँ.
Also, Modi ji not changing clothes very often. That's also something. I
It's a
think of
sign
it
of
as a
decline.
sign.
Yes.
I will
Yeah,
tell you
I think of
something.
it as a sign.
I was overhearing a phone conversation from someone who has fought with me about the BJP,
Okay.
right? And they were talking to someone, and I heard these words. No, this is a good thing that the Congress did.
This is a good thing that the Congress did.
I don't know what they were talking about, but this conversation is happening shortly around the time that this
Ochuri?
press conference PowerPoint presentation happened.
I mean, I am hopeful. I can see it. I mean, I have followed politics enough at this point of time to see these signs, and I have been right, if I may say so, and brag about it a little bit. But it's happening. It's happening. And this whole oligarch fight also I had predicted a while ago, by the way. Someone DM'd me today only saying कि sir आपने predict किया था कि अंबानी और अडानी में लड़ाई होगा और देखो हो गया. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, I could see it coming from a mile, boss. Like when this whole sand castle collapses, everything associated with the sand castle will also collapse. It is not going to be easy. There is going to be a lot of disruptions, and some of these are going to be very visible. Yeah. Any other events that we need to mention, guys?
एक सेकंड चेक करने दे.
Nothing on your list?
मेरा लिस्ट खत्म हो गया.
तो ये सब तो मेरे में
बिहार इलेक्शंस भी एक है. बिहार इलेक्शंस, what will happen? Because I feel like the decline will genuinely be visible after the Bihar elections. But if this election is going to be even, like, is this even an election anymore? I'm thinking of that also, right? Because the election commission is compromised. What is the sort of election we are going to see now? It's very confusing to me, right? Because like Tejasvi Yadav has said that they will boycott and shit. Whatever, I don't think they will. But is it even possible to have this election commission and do an election which is legit? And
Yeah.
will people trust the results? That is what I'm wondering now. Bihar is a big test of that,
Yeah.
right? And if people don't trust the results and election commission pulls like some crazy result, because they will be the ones pulling the result, yeah, it's not going to be great.
That's a
Thoughts?
legitimate fear.
और तुम लोग बस stunned silence में देख रहे हो मेरी
And
तरफ.
silence nahi hai. It's that like as Moriarty said to Sherlock Holmes, everything I'm about to say has already crossed your mind.
Yes. Okay. Fair. So anything to end the recording for and general. उसके बाद हम super chat लेंगे हमारी अलग सभा होगी हमारी members के लिए.
Okay. नहीं अभी तो
Can I make a poop joke?
Yeah, go on.
Take any Bollywood song with the word Sawaria in it and replace Sawaria with diarrhea. Sing it loudly in front of your family and leave a comment. about what happened then.
Diarrhea. Oh, 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 oh. Diarrhea. Oh, oh, oh. Diarrhea.
Yeah, that's the one that came to my mind also. But और क्या बहुत सारा होगा actually. Never mind.
वो वाला गाना है.
Good time to end the stream, guys. Okay. Good time to end the recording. Stream नहीं. अच्छा, bye bye. बाद में फिर से एक therapy session में मिलेंगे. Thank you Vibo. Thank you Medusa. Bye.
Therapy session to
Bye.
help people get over this stream.
Yes. Bye.
Yeah.